Is it possible to attain certain knowledge through intuition or revelation? This is a question that has fascinated philosophers, theologians, and thinkers for centuries. On the one hand, intuition seems to provide us with a direct, unmediated access to knowledge that we cannot get through reason or empirical observation. On the other hand, revelation suggests that there are truths that are only accessible through divine or supernatural means. Intuition is often associated with a kind of immediate, non-inferential knowledge that arises from within us. It is the sense of just knowing something, without being able to explain how we know it. For example, we might have a hunch about something, or feel that something is true without being able to articulate why. Intuition can also manifest in a more emotional or intuitive sense, such as when we sense that something is right or wrong, or feel a deep sense of connection with another person or a situation. Revelation, on the other hand, is often associated with the idea that there are truths that are beyond our natural ability to perceive or comprehend. These truths are said to be revealed to us through divine or supernatural means, such as through a religious text or a personal encounter with God or a spiritual entity. Revelatory knowledge is often seen as being more absolute and certain than other forms of knowledge, since it comes from a source that is believed to be infallible and beyond human error. While both intuition and revelation can provide us with insights and knowledge that we might not be able to obtain through reason or empirical observation, they also raise important questions about the nature of knowledge itself. For example, how do we know that our intuitions are reliable or accurate? Can we really trust in the truth claims of a religious text or a supernatural encounter? And if intuition and revelation do provide us with knowledge, how do they relate to other forms of knowledge, such as scientific or historical knowledge? These are complex questions that have been debated by philosophers and thinkers throughout history. Some argue that intuition and revelation can provide us with valuable insights, but that we should be cautious in relying on them too heavily, since they are not always reliable or testable. Others argue that intuition and revelation are just as valid as other forms of knowledge, and that they can provide us with access to truths that are simply beyond our natural faculties. Ultimately, the question of whether intuition and revelation can provide us with certain knowledge is one that may never be fully answered. However, what is clear is that both intuition and revelation have played important roles in shaping human history and our understanding of the world around us. Whether we choose to rely on them or not, they will continue to be a part of the human experience, inspiring awe and wonder, and challenging us to think deeply about the nature of knowledge and truth.